In this video, I'll show you how to create a document in Docusign step by step, so you can set up and send files for electronic signatures easily. Start by logging into your Docusign account and clicking the Start button from your dashboard. This will take you to the upload screen where you can add your document, whether it's a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. After uploading, click Add Recipients and enter the names and email addresses of everyone involved, making sure all details are correct. You can also set the signing order if needed. Next, customize the email subject and message so recipients clearly understand the purpose of the document. Click Next to open the editor, where you can drag and drop signature, date, and text fields into the correct positions. Review everything carefully before sending to avoid errors. This simple process helps streamline your workflow efficiently. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.